Good morning. Let me move this over this way because it might be harder to hear. Hi. It's Friday, November 8th. Let me see if Angela and some of my students want to join in here. Let me get this, share it. All right, lots of consolidation overnight. We dropped, pulling back a little here. I'd love to see another drop. I do have a spot in mind. We'll see. If you're new, welcome. My name's Lauren. Hey, Scott. What's up, Fred? Do you guys see how tight last night was? And that drop into the LAS? So nice. We typically, so Jen will be live 9:30 to 10:30 on TikTok. She's live every single day. BoldBot_Jen, Jen, 2 N's. I try to go live as much as I can from 9:30 to 10:30 here on YouTube, but I don't always get to do it. But I'm live today, so that is such a cute video. There's this little deer eating popcorn. I think deer really like pumpkins, so now that Halloween is over, I'm going to take my pumpkins to the forest and just throw them in there and let some deer have some yummy snacks. So I meant to do it yesterday on the way to soccer, but I forgot. I forgot the pumpkins at home. Make sure you hit that thumbs up. Let me pull up this. We have 5 minutes till the market opens, so still another minute or two until we start seeing some more movement. It's not a bar. Somebody was like, they signed up for the manual alerts, but they called it alert bots. I'm like, well, it doesn't have anything to do with a bot, but I don't know what that means. Is that English? I don't know what marinin means. Let me transfer this. Hi, Angela. I knew you would be here. You and Scott and Fred. I love it. I probably should have just kept it. All right, that's fine. Whatever. Happy Friday. Make sure you hit that thumbs up. So market is going to open in 2 minutes. I'm doing my walk, if you can hear it in the background. I've been like slacking lately. I only did like 4 miles yesterday. I'm only on mile 3 right now. No bueno. See if we push back up to this 200. Our students, the students know what I'm talking about here, because if you look at the thread with Bonton, he mentioned an area that he likes, and I also agree. Well, that's a cute little emoji. Where's Jen at? Jen says she's walking the dog, but it's 9:28. I miss her. All right, it's Friday. This week's been crazy with the election. Lots of big moves. Lots of swings. to read this thing from Bill. Pull by to the shop till he's... Good job. Oh, he used that. I love it. Awesome. Awesome, Bill. Alright, so let's see what happens here. The open is in 2 seconds. $94. I need to see.
Order filled.
I took it off, so I don't know. Oh, good. It already hit that one. Perfect. Let's see. All right, market is open. See if it can hold this 21,200 or if it ends up moving down. It's a Friday. Damn, that long off 65 was nice. 65, 35, 50 points. I didn't take it, but I was thinking about taking it. We broke structure there. Oh. So, I'm sure all of you have heard by now, or most of you, that fast track trading is no longer. It's crazy to me that a US-based company can just disappear. Like, within hours, they were just gone, and it was like, what? Like, is that a thing? With, like, no recourse? So I'm sure there's going to be recourse for the CEO and the employees at some point, but... Is Jen live? Maybe she just didn't update. Oh, she did. She just updated it.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order filled. Order filled. I told her I would. Ooh. Ooh. Gridlock. Let's freaking go. Let's go. I like it. Now, you know, my swing trade. Green 100 on Gridlock. Cool. Jen is on TikTok, so if you prefer TikTok, it's BoldBot _Jen. Oh, it's Adam. Like, what the fuck were you saying before? Gridlock is going. It's a going, man, okay? I wonder if I... Hold on, let me change. Because I have it on Sim again. I'm not running anything on, at least not on this account. I'm running on some of my evals. So Gridlock is green, $410. Now I have it on my MyFunded Futures accounts, and I did get some Apex accounts last night after all of the craziness. I was supposed to make a plan. All right, $520. I was up to a weekly level I have. I was supposed to make a plan. I didn't make a plan yet. So, yeah, no. I fell asleep. I fell asleep with my little one last night. I didn't even watch the Ravens game, which is horrible, because this morning when I saw, like, highlights, looks so good. All right, over $600 on Gridlock now. Is anyone posting in premium? Scott, I need you. I need you, Scott. One mini. Go, Gridlock, go. See how it's having some resistance from the level I have on my chart. You close it at 625. Nice job. Yeah, you can definitely interfere with Gridlock. I'm never going to be mad about that. especially if you have an eval. You don't want to then have the issues of, ooh, I'm only trading it on micros, so I'm not as worried with the pullbacks or the drawdowns or whatever. But if you're running it on a mini, you definitely want to interfere because the drawdown can get quite heavy. With a situation like this where, you know, you're a student of mine, Scott, you know that this
Order
is the area
canceled.
of resistance at 21,230. So why not take your profit there? You know, why not take $500 within seconds of the market opening? You know, this got in at 934, 930. It's now 935. So why wouldn't you? It's a great move, Scott. I'm proud of you. So, but back up here, moving back up. Again, gridlock does not have, it has an active target and stop loss, but it will never be on the chart. That's why I might keep gridlock in premium for one more week. I'm going to give it to all algo members very soon, but I want to just make sure that information is conveyed very clearly, because somebody like Adam will start freaking out and running around his house like a chicken with his head cut off. And so I need... Adam, I'll send you a picture of my standing desk and then my treadmill and then my two screens. I have two screens. I'm so proud of you. Alright, let's see. I'm going to take a picture of this. I'm going to step off and take a picture now so you can see it. I got to make sure I don't include any, like, stuff that I wouldn't want to be shown. Alright, I think this is good. I can't stand, like, wires under a desk, but there are wires under this. I tried to hide them one time. And then that was just it. Alright, Adam, I'm going to post a picture for you in the chat. Green 420, green 500 on gridlock. Let's go. Nice job. Nice job, Kyle. Got $300 from gridlock. Feel free to interfere with gridlock, especially if you're running a mini, but I'm only running 1 or 2 micros, so I'm just going to let it do its thing. Alright, what was I posting? Oh, Adam. There you go. You can't judge the wires. Well, you can. Alright. So again to the weekly level, this is what I'm saying. If you're a student of mine, you have much more, like, a better idea of where things might have a problem. So this is why taking the mentorship and using the algorithms is like a double whammy combination. Because if you're not a student and you're just like la-di-da-di-da, you have no idea that there's a brick wall right here, right? So this is a brick wall, and it's showing you that, well, we already had it on the chart. Like, this level has been there since June. So since June, I know that this area is a brick wall. And today, it's proving to be just that again. Even here last night, here, here, here. So very easily, you can take profit here as a student, but also as a algo user. So, and I'm going to mention that in the group, so I'm going to take a picture. Like, this is a personal level from my mentorship that I teach you how to find, how to plot, and then you have an upper hand. As a student using the algorithms, you have a major hand up in the market. my god, it's so crazy when people are like, what are you trading? And Jen has it on the chart.
Order submitted.
Her chart literally says NQ futures, and people are like, what are you trading? Like, what? It literally says NQ futures. All right, so again, back up here, the bot's still doing its thing. I need to turn this treadmill back on. I feel obnoxious saying hold on. All right, it's way too quiet. And I need to keep walking anyway. I've only done 3.5 miles. It's horrible. You guys, I'm being so lazy. And I've not walked as much on the weekends. Like, I used to be really good about walking on the weekends. And I've just kind of slowed that down. The only ones I am on is when you're at the coffee shop looking sleepy after a double shot. The stress. No, I must have been exhausted yesterday. I can't believe how long I slept. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Go live every day, 9:30 to 10:30 Eastern Standard Time. I could make this a little smaller. Okay. That looks better, so you can see the whole name. Again, I'm not touching this. This one is on Sim anyway, but I have the same exact trade going over on my funded futures accounts. Jen is sewing. Oh, of course, Jen is in a huge silver short.
Order filled. Order canceled.
All right, let me pull this other one back up. So a small stop there again. I'm fine with that. But you could have interfered. Could you have interfered? Absolutely. And again, this is why having the mentorship is so helpful.
Order canceled.
So Sorry, I'm trying to answer questions on Jen's live. Make sure you guys support Jen. She'll be on until 10:30. Kyle will be live 10:30 to 12:30 on YouTube and TikTok.
Order submitted.
Damn, I missed this one as it broke back down. See, I'm at like $20, so it's not a big deal. But obviously I could have grabbed like 70 or whatever it was, so yeah, I guess it would have been 70. Let's go. I love this drop. Let me make this bigger again and kind of go back to my manual chart. If you want more information, just email me, BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. Oops. Stepping off the treadmill. All to the side. What are we at, 85? We come back to 95? Santa's in a $800 short. I don't know why I don't know why it looks like that. Maybe zooming in, I don't know. I don't know. I just went to Jen's live and she was in a short green, like $500. I know she doesn't manually trade silver, so. Adam, make sure you post it in chat. If other people to be notified that it's happening.
Exercise ring closed.
Oh, it's great. But I still need to keep walking because this is not.
Order submitted.
Order submitted. Lots of big candles here, lots of wicks. Again, it's a day after FOMC. Sometimes there's a lot of indecision in the market. What's going to happen? What does it mean? How should we react? We sliced right back through that whole number. 12. See if we can get back under 21,200. We were just at 206. There's a report at 10.
Order submitted.
What was that? Let me go see. Sorry. Back down to 208. See if we can get back under.
Order filled.
Order filled. See if we can get back under 200. There is a report at 10. See. Oh, this one is still the same. That's crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Remember I mentioned that long-term 65? I kind of forgot about it, and then I just looked at it again. Why do I keep getting off the track? All right. I want to get on here. If you have any questions, just put them in the chat. If you want more information, just email us. Oh, 205. I probably should have left it. It's holding until this 10 o'clock report, so we will see. I did buy a few Apex accounts last night. I was kind of sick of Apex since I was focusing so much on fast track trading. But now that they've gone belly up, I just have to kind of go back to what I know. Kyle, that doesn't matter because it's a no on Friday. Where's Dan at? He's probably sleeping. Oh, good. You guys are alerting.
Order submitted.
You guys love these oil alerts. Damn! Scott made $1,000 on the oil short that was given. It's $100 a month, y'all. $100 a month. $100 a month, and Scott just made $1,000 off of it. Like what? Lots of wicks. I'm glad I'm not really a part of this. We had that one trade off of Gridlock that was good. Obviously, no touching. It did stop for like a $200 loss. 4 points. No. So, much less than that. Like maybe a $75 loss. Alright, let's see what happens with this report. Alright, sorry. Sorry, it's so quiet. There's really nothing happening. I want to post on Twitter. Did anybody watch Thursday Night Football? I was passed out. I'm so sad. I put a really bitchy comment in my Twitter post. Alright. Alright, so premium alerts, $500 a month. We had a gold short this morning. That's it so far. Standard alerts, $100 a month. There's already been 6 alerts today. And oil and gold have been on fire. Look at that, 704 even on gold. Do I have a gold? Maybe I'll pull it up on my other VPS. 704. 704 ran to 711. That's wild. Wild. Do I still have that picture? Two good trades on YM. Good job, Mike. Mike really likes YM. Short on gold. That one made a bunch of people money. Silver and a short. With what? On what? You're talking about Oracle? No. Oh, PBB? He's probably talking about PBB. Probably. There we go. Let's go. Alright, it's 10 o'clock. The report's out. Let's go. There's a lot going on. Sorry. There's standard alerts. There's premium alerts. There's crazy things everywhere. ES is coming up to some major resistance here. At 18, now we're at 16. This is that same area on NQ. Oops. I just hit my watch while on my desk. I did that yesterday too. Oopsies. Alright, it's 10:01. The report came out. Rome kind of swiped up there to the highs. Not the highs of the night because we were higher, but the high of this morning of the open. I'm not sure why this oracle keeps coming up on here. I don't care about it.
Order filled.
Okay. Jen is in love with silver. That's like her new favorite product. It's never happening. Nice job, Scott. So proud. All right. And that's the thing. Like, I love the NASDAQ, but some people might prefer silver or gold. And that's awesome. That's totally fine for them. And I promote it. I promote you finding what works for you, when it moves, figuring, just like you just have to dive in. This doesn't even make any sense.
Order submitted.
silly, silly questions. All right. We're back. We're back. I said ES had a strong level there. It rejected from 18. It's now at 9. That's all free information. If you're on my live dealing with the sound of my treadmill, you're going to get free little nuggets here or there. There's that 85 again. Can we break? Can we go lower to 70? Yes, we can. All right, I got like $2,000 on that short while arguing with someone in the chat. I don't know if Jen sees that her screen is really dark. Maybe she was trying to take the blurry thing off. Ooh, 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 ooh. There we go. All right, there we go. I got back in this short at 95. Now we're back down to 85. Let's go. 2,700 now after this report. That short on 95 was like the only thing. Did I already post this? Not sure if I already posted this snippet of info. But if you are, I probably didn't do it yet, but I already got the picture, so. Look at these wicks. This, 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 this. Wicks everywhere. Get the hell out of here. Okay. I want to post that information.
Order canceled.
Alright. Are you guys still hanging out with me? Look at you. There's still 9 of you hanging out with me. You're a conflict seeker. Are you a conflict seeker? Maybe. Yeah, I didn't even see it, Adam. And why are all of your usernames like da 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 da? Like, I don't know. Conflict is fun, maybe. I don't like to argue about like real things. I like to rag on people and for it to be lighthearted. I don't actually like to hurt anyone's feelings. I just like to tell people they have big heads. Like, stuff like that. So I don't know. But this guy Patrick in TikTok is like dragging his feet to join, and then he's asking all these other random questions. And I'm like, dude, listen. Make Kyle an admin, please, Jen. But yeah, so he said something like, I don't know, he was like asking all these weird questions. So I said, stop asking silly questions and just get serious and join the service. Oh, it's Rad Dad. Well, that's awesome. I'm sure you're a great dad. And anyway, so I made an analogy that people that talk a lot are never serious. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know if you've ever heard, like, I don't think it's a phrase, but I don't know if you've ever heard that people that talk a lot can't fight. Because
Order submitted. Order submitted.
They'll just talk a lot of shit, but they'll never actually, like, physically, like, get in there and, like, get their hands dirty. So I was telling this guy, Patrick, that he probably doesn't know how to fight because he does a lot of talking. I don't know how to fight, so I can admit that right now, but like, that's the thing, like, if you ever are, like, in high school, obviously, is what I'm, like, referring to, not now as, like, a grown adult, but, like, if you're in middle school or high school, and that one person is always just talking, and it's like, all right, well, let's just fight it out. Those people can never fight. Those are always the people that are, like, scared to fight, and they just talk a lot of shit. But because if you know you can fight, you're just going to get in there and fight. There's nothing to say. Like, there's, you know, like, let's just get this over with. This girl tried to fight me freshman year of high school. I, like, ran on the bus. I ran away from her. She thought I was, like, hooking up with her boyfriend. And that was so far from the truth. Like, I wasn't even attracted to her boyfriend. But, you know, girls are crazy, so. In a technical. Sorry, I'm typing out this. Yeah, we need to always have more. Premium is a beast. What is that, like $2,200 on silver today? Adam said he can fight. Alright, well, you can fight for me. I'll just talk a lot of shit, and then I'll bring you in. And not in an emotional way. So Scott grabbed over $650 on this long of gridlock at the open, and hands free it closed red $75. See how education and can take you to the next level.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Okay, where are we at otherwise? I can exit this. What time is it? 10:15. I'm going to probably wrap up this live. I haven't had much to show lately. I've been kind of all over the place. Oh, NQ new. Let's freaking go, baby. Oh, I was in that silver trade too. Oh, very good. Very good. Very good. Let's drop. I want to drop for several reasons. Ooh, there we go. We got to stay under the 70s. 70 is an area. We gotta stay under. Okay. New. This. If we can break 70, then we can go lower. All right, I'm going to wrap up the live. It's 10:16. Jen is still live on YouTube until 10:30. On TikTok. Kyle will be live on TikTok and YouTube at 10:30. This channel, and then on TikTok, I don't know if he's using his new one, but BoldBot_Kyle should be on that one. So that's when he should be live on every day. So, all right, have a good one. Thanks for joining. Have a good weekend if I don't talk to you, and I'll see you guys. I will not be live on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, but I will be doing a student call. So I'll see you later in the week next week. Bye.